What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to use camera in Pro manual mode in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So first of all, open camera app. Now here click on this more option and then from here select Pro. You can also select Pro video to take a video. So to take a picture, tap on Pro. Now it will open the Pro mode. Now you can change the ISO, speed, EV, focus and WV. So just simply tap on a option and then you can change the settings. And after customizing all the settings, tap on this shutter button to take picture. So that's how you can use camera in Pro manual mode in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.